What up with it, QT couple hollering at you. Today we will be unboxing and putting together the VTech Smart Shot Sports Center playset for babies. So let's go ahead, bust it open. Let's see what's in the box, put this thing together and see what this has to offer. Busted the box open and we got all our pieces right here. Honestly, it look like it's gonna be a piece of cake. Here go a little bag right here. One of the key things you have to make note of is that when you open this little bag, be sure that you get your little set of screws in here. You're gonna need that. Boom. You're gonna need a screwdriver. So let's get the screwdriver and put this thing together. Okay, so step one, get your screwdriver. Get your main piece right here. Look on the back. You should see a little port right here. Peel that off. There's your port right there. And before you put your batteries in, make sure it's turned off, they said, so move that over. Honestly, it probably ain't a big deal, but I'm no expert. Just a guy that likes to help. And clearly, you put the batteries in there. Boom. 3 AA batteries. Once you got your AA batteries in there, obviously you can replace the cover. These wires are pretty durable, honestly, so I just got this dangling. You probably might not want to do that and be on the safe side, but hey, it is what it is. All right, once you got that, once you got your batteries in, you slide this down. Try to be kind of careful with your wires. Once again, they seem pretty durable, but just be careful. Stick it in like that. Boom. Now you should have your scoreboard on top. Simple. First part really easy. Now you get your base right here. And you actually want it to be facing this way like that. And you just stick this in this way. So the open side should be where your scoreboard is facing. Click that in. Now that we've done that, you can go ahead and gently place it down. And then you got screw holes here at the bottom of each one. Get your screws, that's your little packet right here. It's gonna be 4 of them. You should see 2 little slots at the bottom. So let's scoot that up so you can see that a little bit better. 2 little slots, boom, 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 boom. So let's go ahead, speed this up, screw those in. I'll come back to you once I got those screwed in. Okay, we got those pieces in. That's what they look like. They should be nice and flush below the point so it doesn't sit unevenly or anything like that. All right, so now you should be looking like that. Almost there. Turn it around. You're gonna take your net. Now we're gonna attach this. The red pieces right here should attach to the back right here at the top. So do it in whichever order suits you. I'm gonna do the bottom first. So push it down. Boom, boom. You should hear a click. So there we go. Now this part, click, click. So 4 clicks total. Click, 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 click. And you should be good to go on that step right there. And with these gears, you can go ahead and insert them. I believe you'll hear another click when you insert these. And the sizes are a little different. So you gotta be a little aware of where each one goes. So the white one goes on the bottom. Really, you just push it in there and it twists, no problem. Then you're gonna put the red one in the middle. And honestly, it may not even matter, but the orange one at the top, that's how we're gonna do ours. So now you got your gears. Let's see, they operate together. Okay, now we can put our hoop on. Got these 2 little hooks right here. Got your 2 entry points right there. And you got these as your guides as well in between. So just slide it on through. Said that like it's gonna be simple. And it is. Just line it up. Whoa, 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 come on now. There we go. And then you should hear some more clicks going on. Click, click. Had to put a little force in there because you know baby's gonna be rough anyway, but nice little breakaway rim for you. And then finally, you got this little piece right here. It goes into this right here. Pop that in, bang, and you good to go. That's it. It's pretty straightforward. It ain't as complex as it might look in the box. Pretty simple. Of course, you got your 2 balls that come with it. Your soccer ball, and your basketball. You also got 2 extra screws in case something goes left and you need them. You got 2 extra screws, so tuck those off somewhere. And then to turn it on level 1 right there. And boom. They can shoot it like that. And of course they can kick the ball in the net. And that's it. That's the VTech Smart Shot Sports Center. There we go. There goes the finished product. Like, comment, and subscribe if this video helped you out. Would greatly appreciate it. Until next time, peace.